Hey everybody, well, I got some messages where people are asking me about the letter B, V, and Z, and S, of course. And well, I didn't make videos about that before because it's pretty easy, and you'll see. In Spanish, B and V sound exactly the same way. We just have B. So if it's a word like vaca, which is cow, it goes with the V, but we say vaca with our lips. Vaca, not vaca. If you go to Spain, they have this difference. Yeah, they say vaca, ves, ver. They have the V, but in Latin America we don't. So yeah, but it's fine if you use your V. It's the correct way, the right way, but I'm sorry, we don't say it or pronounce it like that. And same thing with the Z. In Latin America, it's like an S, like zapatos, which means shoes. It goes with Z, and we say zapatos, like an S. Okay, if you go to Spain, they say zapatos or something like that, and that's the difference. So yeah, that's it. If you need to know something about Spanish, or I don't know, you want to learn something, just let me know, and I'll try to help you out with that, and keep practicing your Spanish. I'm gonna make more videos about Spanish very soon, and I'm gonna start teaching the basic stuff. So yeah, well, thanks for watching.